back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this graphic liner look. Something simple for hooded eyes. I feel like graphic liner is where hooded eyes girls can thrive because we have all this extra space above our lid, not on the lid, and so that's where you can really get creative and fun. But I just wanted to show something really simple, a look that I would do, I don't know, if I was on Euphoria or something like that. I feel like graphic liner has been a trend for a while, but it really picked up with Euphoria, with diamonds and fun colored liner and stuff like that. I feel like that's when people really got into it and felt like more up for wearing graphic liner out on the daily. I personally, I wish I was bold enough to wear this look out just anywhere, but I am not. So I would definitely wear this if I was going to a festival or something like that, which I know festivals and everything, all those fun gatherings are canceled. But it's for the safety and for the best of everybody, so but this is definitely a look I would wear. I'm not really going out to daily errands graphic liner kind of girl, but I do love the trend, and I just wanted to show something simple for all the girls with hooded eyes, with tiny eyes. It's very simple, but it's cute. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and there will be new videos every week.
Starting with my base pretty much complete, I'm just going to add a lip and some highlighter at the end, but I'm starting with the NYX Vivid Brights liquid liner. I like to use that for my graphic liners because its brush is more like a paintbrush, so it's easier to make designs. So I'm starting with just bronzer. Really, I like bronzer on my eyelids because it's neutral, it matches my skin tone, so I'm just putting that on my eyelids and then starting the liner. So I'm just trying to make a slightly curved line in that space that we have, finally using all that space above my actual eye. But just trying to perfect that and get that even. It's nice to kind of pull back and make sure you're looking at the bigger picture once you open your eye, and then I kind of go to the angle and make that wing so I can connect it to that upper line. So you're just thickening up that liner, that wing on the side, and connecting them, and then kind of just getting an overall look at the shape I've got going on, and continuing to fill in any spots, make some lines thicker, and just make it crisp. Want to make sure it's pretty even and filled in and opaque. So after I get that just right, I'm going to finish up the look by just completing that inner corner and kind of rounding out that liner right in the inner corner, and just filling in the spots. It takes a lot of patience to get it just right. Then I'm just fanning and drying the liner with this broken palette I had laying around. So those are the rhinestones that I'm going to use, and just sticking those on. You can use, lash glue to stick them on. These rhinestones actually have a little sticky on them, and that works most of the time for me. I'm just rearranging one that I misplaced a little uneven, but yeah, I just put 5 rhinestones in that thick line, and now I am smudging a brown liner in my waterline. This is just an e.l.f. pencil. It's not super vibrant, but it did the trick. Afterwards, I kept it really simple because you want the focus to be on the graphic liner and the rhinestones. So I just popped Trust Issues from the Jackiana palette in my inner corner, and then following up with some mascara. And here's the final look. So I just finished with putting some more blush and a little bit of highlight. Then I put a brown lip liner and a little bit of lip gloss, and yeah, so all the details to the things I use will be listed in the description box below. I also did a similar look like this on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram at sincerelycierra. And thanks for watching.